Hello, brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. E get some advice wey I wan still tell my brothers dem. My brothers dem, this Facebook or something don catch fire. Anything wey una just get for family house, una just carry am come Facebook. Kpakara. Anything at all, your wife do this one o, your husband do this one o, una go carry am go Facebook. Una no get family? Una no get family at home? Una dey fool una sef, una dey think say una dey fool other people. Na una sef una dey fool. Like this man now wey go Facebook go dey talk say na so him wife leave am for hospital. You no get family? The time wey you wan go marry am, you no see him family? Something don happen. No be say I say the woman do good o. I no say the woman do good. But no be wetin una go carry come Facebook come dey talk. This one na family matter. Family matter, you go call the father, call the mother. If you no get father, you go get brothers, you get sister dem. Una go talk am. Because you dey disgrace yourself. You dey disgrace your children. This kind thing no good. E no good. As you don talk am now, you dey think say na the woman na you fool. Anyone no phone na nobody wey no get you. Even person wey still put you for that Facebook make dey talk you. Iyo na orere, ovuon. Make una dey respect una self. I know say you dey vex, my brother. I know say na vex na make you go there. But make you no do am again, abeg. You carry your wife picture, you put for there. See your children go grow tomorrow. All this kind thing una dey do, more una dey reason before una dey do am. More una dey think twice. Una get children. You say 3 children na e born for you. Which kind thing be this one? You get family for house. The woman get. If marriage finish, good. Everybody go do your. She go go her own. You go go your own. You go find another girl. He go find another. She go find another person. Why not go carry am come Facebook? Facebook, as you carry am go there now. Person wey know your children, he go dey use am take dey laugh am. Ije ohoni na we olelo no pia. You not think before you go that Facebook go dey carry dey go. Whether you go your phone, the time where you go pay for the woman head, not be family you see for there. Your family not follow you go there. Why you not call them? Say, see what they go on for this side. See as this woman they do. May they tell you, say, may you come home, may we come talk. Why moire Facebook? Why moire Facebook? Why moire Facebook? Not by them moire Facebook. Where there no way or that thing or marry or not being an enemy not by or moire Facebook. Where till they happen? Why una not they use sense? Anything at all. Be like so not get family for us. Una just carry and put for Facebook. This my dey vex for you. Where? I know say you dey angry. What did the woman do? You say you dey hospital, leave you for there. I know the woman not do am good. But now you can't do the one way worse pass. When I do when no wake gbese. When you know say you get children, the woman self, that one know say you get children, he leave you for hospital, you not do wetin good. But you as you can still do am, e not good at all. We want to make the whole world we see wetin dey happen. Family where we disgrace in that woman. If you don't know, make I tell you now. Do we mind? If you don't know now yourself, then you disgrace for them. Many people go dey clap for you, say you do am well, you just explode the woman. Not be so. No wa gbari emi you we mi ne. Una wa moire Facebook. Wa be lue sense. No digwe bie igba hanu we. Una wa moire Facebook. Uma set is you we. Na nu me na. Osalo bua orewe. May you say this thing we go talk am for Nigeria. You just carry go Facebook. Me una dey use sense. This Facebook not be the one where they disgrace ourselves. Especially we Bini. Anything at all we go carry and go Facebook. You no to tackle when you know we this woman na ashawo na name. All women na ashawo. All women na ashawo. Aga bie de gani awo bie full current. Aga bie wo awo ye bie ashawo. Abi na no hear that one before. You wey put woman for us. You go dey curse another woman. You not get respect. You not get respect at all. If you get respect for your own woman where you dey for your house, you not go dey insult another woman. If once the man come report to you, you go tell her say this kind thing. Na Nigeria, na therefore they discuss all this kind thing. Not have a Facebook. You carry the man sit down. You say make it they talk in your family. Why you know they talk your own? You wait carry that man sit down for them. Why you not go come and make you come still talk your own? Anyo manero egbe. Anyo manomamie. I come here the doctor. Waiting, make una suffering. I don't know the woman not do well. You the man, you not do well. Boy, what the worst, when not the worst is saying, huh? Okay, can I read ya benar won't ah when I do the bay when na family well keke family do me na mio ana mio wo wa because when we type Facebook na everybody your word don ya mio ni all of them don see am na you na dey come blame o ma mudia o ma zin gbe na ri ya benar won't you for wait wetin be all this thing if marriage finish everybody do you go your own she go her own. Which kind carry if picture go dey put for there and the woman wey born for you no be say na your girlfriend na so you eat your money or this waiting even the house wey you say you build for her na for your children when una dey use sense common sense una no sabi use if una no see person wey dey harvest una make una find person wey go dey harvest una no be any small thing una go carry una sef come Facebook woman go carry your husband come and the other one na the man wanna go dey report to na he go come settle una the man wanna go dey report to na he go come settle una they nyawa disgrace una they disgrace una for there this one go come call na so e suppose to dey do na dey be your family wey go judge you abi na dey be your lawyer you no go sit down make you think am this man dey vex for you really. I no say wetin your woman do say do am well. Wazin gbe nu gari ri abene. The thing vex you na make you come out. You for not go there. You for call the family. Even though say make you curse them, make you insult them. They go know say na wetin their daughter do you, na he pay you, na make you curse them. Ade mi o na mi a. Ade mi o they we born na madre na. O no tell la dian. Ata wa o madano. Many people they will get their out for their body. They know they talk and come out. Even that one where they curse woman all the time. Then you go they give your problem. Make her help you. Okay, as you talk and now you say make he help you. I be may do waiting. As you go tell her now, you go tell her say may help you. I be may narrate you. I'm about boma monaka boma or naka boma. Waiting. One they behave well. All these our Benin people. One they behave well. Not be alone at there for Facebook. The woman do this one, do this one, do that one. Even though say even as you talk now, we not here for the woman mat, and we not even care to hear. Now inside house, now not supposed to talk all this thing. Not the one will carry on Facebook now, call use and say they disgrace on herself for them. When they disgrace on herself, why have it na English? Not say they talk and what be do that? Why do I tie the English wayata? Why have the old war? I mean, manene ununeze do. Ni ameke na enu wata. Why they just don't want when waje do ya tie? Ebo wayata. Which kind thing be this one? On wayata man, you one of hand bed war one and me war hand and me and name you or when no me they no do add more Facebook no do tamowa. Make una reason. It be like say na be una God. Waiting. This what happen. The man said he's supposed to they use sense. It's not the way happen like they go call the man say, my brother, as you talk this thing, so I know if you put on for Facebook. May we call their family. Call your family. May we settle on for house. Not be waiting that they put for Facebook. Picking don't they 3 children you say born for you. The man not even use sense. That man say he go put you for Facebook. When I call the listing. He go put you for Facebook. As the man wey go talk say why do this one, as you get blame, person wey you say make you consider make you can't tell people. Now so that one get blame. Waiting, you say you be big person. You know they use your brain, You know go use your brain. Una get children, una get children. Anything wey you do today, if they wait you for front tomorrow. That kind of thing where you do that to your wife, when you don't call say na your wife. You don't know say go affect your children before you go for Facebook. Abi you not know, person not tell you. Make una know the reason before na they do anything. Una the reason, make una dey think. Make una do think. Iya wa ye me negbe ya tolo me aya tolo wa tolo boloa. Uzi egbe o saba we say oladian hospital. Then you go tell the family say, see wetin this your daughter do me. Even though say as you call the family, you insult them. You get let your bonne ya we. Then you know if not that way be mad or see or not your bonne ya. Or we might tell you you just carry the picture, put it for Facebook. You they disgrace yourself. Then they call your wife. Now see your wife. Una never divorce. Now see your wife. Then they call her shawo. You know the shame. You know the shame. Wetin that I don't even know where una sense dey say. Be like say dey under una feet. Huh? Why una no dey use sense? The time wanna take play, wanna take enjoy, wanna take call dali. You no even remember that one. Huh? I no say the woman do good or the woman not do good. He not do good at all. Leave your husband for hospital. Even though say you see another man say you want marry, say na that man love, na they kill you. You go wait first, make your husband first come house. If you don't call house, my husband, this friendship, you know go again. I want me to stop like this. Problem not there. You go carry your leg, waka go where you want carry go. Not be say you go leave your husband for hospital. I not say the woman do good. The woman not do good at all. But you man, now you can just worst. When I do the yawa. When I do the yawa, you not do well at all. I beg my brother. May you not let this kind of thing happen again. I beg. I use God to beg you because of your children. Let's say the woman not even born for you now. I go the year. I go say, which kind nonsense be this one? Person wey don't born for you, 3 children. Your children they grow tomorrow. You know what they go tell you? If they see that video, you know what they go tell you? Even though say their mama, their mother don't dey wrong. What they go tell you? You not go believe your eye. You allow other people they call your wife say na shower. You allow other person they call your wife wey born for you. We bought 3 children for you. You allow them make they call and say na prostitute. You know what you do for them? You feel talk and say na because of you dey very sad. What you do? My brother, no be so. No be so. Me una dey use sense. No be so. Na sense still be for our women. We go they report their self, their husband for person wey una no know at all. Just say the person they do program. Jeme, una too wabeti. Una wadingbe. Wa report me the man hand to settle wa. Oh, the other settle one. Other settle no wa. Wa any family? Abi wa any gbe. Odo no wa bien na any gbe. Mona the shame Mona the shame. Me wa ekwe wa mu me no wa. Abi wa no very oni. Ekwe wa mu me. Abi agene na mu go ju won. The man wey na go the report for Facebook. The man dey there. Egbu we no. Oma no ma seti dollar ji mo gwa fo. O kan do dollar wu weji. Nye gata mo nye cause ogi no ri egbe hen ta mo we. Uya total uya ni nyewe. You go dey talk your own. See wetin dey happen. He put am for 1,000 people where they watch, make they see wetin dey happen. Na advice na you supposed to give. As you go there, go tell you say my brother, this thing you no fit put am for Facebook. Not do am. May we call the man not even call the family of the woman. May you call your family. Mona say, I bet this thing where they happen. Mona say to and with for them. No, he say may you call Facebook, may you call talk am. You know see say common sense is not common. You know see say common sense they not get. I beg, I use God say beg una. Make una dey reason, make una dey think before now they do something. Now that one I just get where I want to come talk because me be woman. If love finish, not be task. You go your own, I go my own. May you remember the time when I take play. Now only that one I get. And when I no use una bad luck when I get. Take spell una children. Una children, when I no use them. I dey beg una because all this kind of thing not be waiting good. Love don't finish good. May una use cool mind, take settle, take go. This one go in peace. This one go in peace. Everybody go do your life. You go change your own life. This one will change your life. Marriage not be forever. If he finish today, if he finish tomorrow, not be forever. Some people they where they marry forever. Someday the love don't tire and you know fit again. You go say no, I know fit. I don't they love another person. You go destroy your own. You go. Me dey beg una. Me una dey use sense. Mona dey use sense. You put money for a head or you not put money for a head or if the marriage say you want break, you don't break. You go come out. Now so it still be for the man. If the man no want, he not love you again, he go come out. Make una use sense. I beg. You put the man Facebook, the man picture. You put the woman picture. Waiting, my brother. I know say they pay you, but you for think before you do that thing. That person where you say may you put. That person where say may you put their picture. You know even get advice where go tell you. May tell you say no do one like this. May una go discuss am for us. I bet now this one is the small advice where I get for una from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. I hope say all of una go get sense. When I know they carry on a matter, they go Facebook. Mona they talk am for his house. Bye to everybody. Bye.